Today, we're diving into 15 leaked OSINT tools that make it easier than ever to find information on anyone. These tools aren't just for hackers. They're used by cybersecurity pros, journalists, law enforcement, and regular folks. The info you uncover can be sensitive, so always respect privacy and follow the law. OSINT means open source intelligence, gathering data from public sources. Let's get into the list. Maltego is one of those tools that feels like it's straight out of a hacker movie. It's all about mapping relationships between people, companies, domains, and more. Maltego lets you visualize all those links in a super intuitive graph. Its transforms pull from dozens of data sources, building connections as it goes. You start with just a name or email, and suddenly you're looking at an entire web of relationships. Used by law enforcement and cybersecurity teams, it's also a favorite among hackers. The ability to see how everything is connected can reveal vulnerabilities or hidden patterns. Use Maltego responsibly and always keep privacy top of mind. The Harvester collects digital breadcrumbs, emails, subdomains, and employee names linked to a domain. Plug in a company's domain, and it crawls public sources for all the email addresses and subdomains it can find. But remember, gathering digital trails comes with responsibility. Stick to ethical hacking and respect privacy. Spiderfoot is like having a tireless robot assistant that scours the internet for you. It's a fully automated OSINT tool that pulls from hundreds of data sources, mapping out everything from IP addresses to leaked credentials. Enter a domain, IP, or username, and Spiderfoot crawls and connects the dots automatically. Results are presented in a clean visual dashboard showing vulnerabilities, exposed devices, and connections. It's open source and customizable, making it popular among security pros and hackers alike. Want to focus on social media or breach data? Just tweak the settings. But with great power comes great responsibility. Respect boundaries and use Spiderfoot for defense. Don't go snooping where you shouldn't. ReconNG is a modular framework designed for web-based reconnaissance, a Swiss Army knife for OSINT. Each module has a specific job, from gathering social media data to pulling public records. Stack modules, build custom workflows, or write your own extensions. It's user-friendly, even for beginners, and saves findings in a neat database. There's a built-in reporting engine for sharing results. With great flexibility comes the risk of misuse. Always keep your activities above board and respect privacy laws. Shodan is often called the Google for hackers, but instead of websites, it searches for internet-connected devices, webcams, routers, printers, and more. You can see what devices are exposed, what software they're running, and if they're using default passwords. Security professionals use it to lock down networks, but hackers use it to find vulnerable devices. A simple search can reveal thousands of exposed systems. If you're going to use Shodan, use it to make the internet safer, not scarier. Never attempt unauthorized access. Creepy gathers location data from social media, letting you see where someone has been posting from. It pulls together geotagged posts to build a map of someone's movements. Useful for journalists and investigators, but also a reminder of how much we share. Enter a username, and Creepy displays geolocation data on an interactive map. It's a powerful way to analyze someone's digital footprint. Location data is deeply personal. Use Creepy for good. Always respect privacy. Google Dorks are specialized search queries that uncover information most people never see. Using advanced operators, you can find hidden files, exposed directories, and sensitive documents. These queries are easy to learn and incredibly effective for OSINT investigations. No special software needed, just a Google search bar and creativity. Use this power wisely. Finding sensitive info doesn't mean you have permission to access it. If you find something exposed, report it to the site owner. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, automates social engineering attacks and information gathering. Think phishing emails, credential harvesting, or fake login pages. SET makes these attacks easy to simulate. Security teams use it to test defenses and train employees. The toolkit comes with templates, but you can customize your own campaigns. It's a favorite for red team exercises. Use SET for ethical hacking and education. Never attack without permission. Focus specializes in analyzing metadata embedded in documents, like usernames, software versions, and timestamps. It automates extracting metadata from documents found online, revealing details about creators and systems. This data can be a goldmine for attackers or defenders. Document metadata is easy to overlook, but can be sensitive. Always get consent before scanning someone else's files. The OSINT framework is a curated directory of the best OSINT tools and resources. Picture a branching tree with links to tools for email investigation, social media analysis, geolocation, and more. It's a starting point for anyone looking to get into OSINT. Each link comes with a brief description so you know what you're clicking. The framework is constantly updated to reflect the fast-paced world of open-source intelligence. Bookmark it and use it as your roadmap. Sherlock searches for usernames across dozens of social networks. Enter a handle, and Sherlock checks if it exists on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and more. It's a fast way to see someone's digital footprint across the web. Sherlock is open source and easy to use. Use Sherlock for good, like monitoring your own accounts, not for stalking. MetaGoofle focuses on extracting metadata from documents available on public websites. Feed it a domain, and it'll download files. Then dig into the metadata inside each one. You'd be surprised how much you can learn. Author names, email addresses, even server paths. Only scan documents you have permission to analyze. Metadata can expose sensitive information if you're not careful. Twint is a powerful Twitter scraping tool that collects tweets, profiles, and more without needing the official API. You can search for keywords, hashtags, or users and pull entire timelines. It's lightning fast and ideal for journalists, analysts, and OSINT enthusiasts. But be careful not to violate Twitter's terms of service or privacy guidelines. Use Twint responsibly, never for harassment or doxing. Have I Been Pwned lets you check if your email or phone number has appeared in a data breach. Enter your info, and the site checks it against billions of leaked records. It's trusted by security professionals and individuals alike. If your info is exposed, act fast. Change your passwords and enable extra security. Good password hygiene and two-factor authentication are essential. Knowledge is power. Use it to protect yourself. People is like Google for personal information, diving deep into web databases regular search engines can't reach. Search by name, email, username, or phone number, and get a detailed profile, addresses, relatives, jobs, and more. It's popular with investigators, journalists, and hackers building dossiers. The results can be eye-opening. Your life is more documented online than you think. Pipple's power comes with serious responsibility. Never invade someone's privacy without cause. Use Pipple to protect, not exploit. So there you have it, 15 of the most powerful OSINT tools that hackers and professionals alike use to find information on almost anyone. These tools aren't inherently good or bad. It's what you do with them that matters. Always use OSINT techniques responsibly, ethically, and within the law. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more deep dives into tech and digital privacy. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next video.